What's up, y'all? You know what it is, man. We're back out here in the garage, and unfortunately I don't have my camera person at the moment, so it's a little handheld action. So I'm gonna show you the engine real quick. We're gonna do part 2 of the LS swap on the 300ZX. So let me show you guys the progress I've made on the engine. So I haven't done much, and because there's been some pretty positive feedback on the last video about doing this swap, and kind of wanting to know, you know, price breakdowns and, you know, kind of details. Even though, like I said, it's been done on YouTube. Jimmy Oaks did a really good series on it, even though he kind of disappeared halfway through it. Not halfway through it, but he disappeared for a while, then came back and it was completed. So I'm gonna try to do that with this series. But as you can see, most of the accessories, all the accessories basically are off the engine. They're over here in this pile. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can brighten it up in here. Yes, there you go. So you got your AC compressor, your bracket, this huge giant bracket with a pulley on it, and it has the power steering, and then it also houses the alternator. So I put all that out, including the little bracket here for the AC compressor and the motor mounts that attach to the engine. So I pulled all that off. So all we're left with today is the water pump, the intake, and the manifolds and everything like that. So what I'm about to do now, guys, so we kind of stay transparent and kind of keep you guys up with the build, I'm going to pull this out to the light up front, and we're going to pull the rest of this stuff off. Probably going to start with the maybe the water pump. I think the oil still needs to be draining this thing as well. So I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna start with, but I kind of want to go and get these manifolds off, get the intake, you know, just kind of strip it down, and then clean the engine. So I want to have kind of almost a bare block. Probably gonna leave the crank pulley on there. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling, how much time I got. I'm limited on time. I'm always limited on time. It's Christmas time. This is like 2 days before Christmas, so I got a few little last minute bits of shopping to do. But I want to get something done. I did all that, pulling all that stuff off in like 15 minutes last night. So I mean, literally, this thing is, if you got a 15 millimeter, you're good to go. You can pretty much knock everything off. I think these may be 12s on here. These may be 12. So we're gonna get rid of all this stuff and just have a straight up block. So let me move the engine, and then yeah, let's get to it. We'll put some gloves on because, I don't know if you guys can tell, that engine is hella green. There's all kinds of sludge on it. So, you know, it happens. But I ain't trying to get that dirty today. I got the engine right there, guys, so we're just gonna rip off some of this stuff real quick. Not too much stuff. this stud broke off. The water pump, it was seized. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So I'm gonna have to get that out. And that's a long ass bolt too. Yeah, guys, comment down below. I'll probably find out anyway, but a good way to get this broken bolt out, this broken water pump bolt out. Head snapped off. Yeah. Anyway, water pump is off. I have to figure that out though. That's kind of disheartening. Sure, it's not that big of a deal. We can get this out, but still, man. Shit. I don't have to deal with that. But it's a crusty engine. As you can see, man, I mean, it is good key. I'm gonna have to really clean this thing up. I think I'm probably just gonna get a new front timing cover. I got new gaskets and everything for it, but got new water pump gaskets. I need a water pump now. Alright guys, so I hope you can see this. It's kind of fuzzy. Anyway, I got one of the manifolds off. And as you can see, well, I don't think you can see anything, but let's see if we can focus this thing and focus properly. Yeah, this one was already broken, so, which is crazy because on the opposite side here, can't see anything. There you go. On the opposite side, that same one is broken as well. So we got two on the manifolds, two stuck studs, and that one's flush. That one's in the head. That's broke off in the head just about. And then we got this one, no water pump. So I'm going to pull this off. Let you guys see this real quick.
Jokey beat.
Alright guys, so sorry about the interruption, but memory card ran out of space and I didn't realize it until it was done. So I don't even know what the last part you guys saw. But anyway, intake is off. It's super grimy in here, as I suspected it would be. If you guys can see that. So intake ports, hella dirty. This whole valley is dirty. So all this is gonna need to be cleaned. I did have the valve covers off, put them back on, but they were clean. It was clean. I didn't see any signs of foul play. Tried to get the oil filter off. No luck. As you can see, that thing's mangled up, man. Like, I was twisted. It shouldn't be on that damn tight. Like, I don't know who put the force of God to that thing, but yeah, it just started mangling up when I was twisting it. So, because it's on there so tight. So it is what it is. I'm gonna leave it on there. I'm gonna let that drain for a little bit longer before I move the motor back into its resting place over there. And when we pull the oil pan off, that'll just go off with it. Other than that, like I said, man, we got this broken stud, a broken stud on the other side as well. But the motor is essentially disassembled. You know, minus taking the heads off and the oil pan and all this stuff off. So, in the next episode, the next video, we're going to clean this. I would have did it today, gave you guys even more stuff, but I just don't have the time. It's too close to Christmas. I got stuff going on. So we'll clean this, get this sorted out, pressure wash it, kind of degrease it, and hopefully make it look better. Probably drop the oil pan. Yeah, so that'll be the next episode, getting that clean, getting that tidied. Like I said, if you look over there, you probably can't see, but in one of the second drawer is full of parts already. So, part for the pickup tube, all the gaskets and stuff for the front main, the new front main seal. Got a few things already ordered. So, yeah, we'll clean it up next episode though. Next video, we'll clean it up. Try to see what we're working with. Make it look worth a damn. And then get prepared to start putting it back together the right way. So I need to still get a cam and the whole cam kit. I'm still on the fence. It may be Texas Speed or GPI. Now, tried to win this BTR cam, so if BTR hits your boy up, say, hey, you done won the cam kit, then we'll go with BTR. But I still wouldn't mind buying one, but Texas Speed has a pretty nice deal on cam and springs already. I already got all the seals and everything I need, so I might go with Texas Speed. But if anybody want to sponsor anything, if anybody knows anyone that, you know, got parts to contribute or anything like that, I am more than happy to take those. So I would appreciate anything. So guys, but just share the videos, man. Like them, it really helps the channel, man. Click notifications if you haven't subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.
It's cooking.